Ginisang Sayote. It's a Filipino dish that has sayote and chicken, but today we're going to veganize it with some plant-based protein, and I'd like to show that to you on today's video. So come on, let's go into the kitchen. Hi, Dinah here from Dynamite Ideas, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. So what we have here is a sayote, which is a fruit, because there is actually a seed in here. And what I'll be doing is I'm going to be peeling this off, cutting it in half, removing the seed and chopping it up. And this is going to be our vegetable in the dish. The protein I'm going to have is this Morningstar Farms. It's a veggie chicken strip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this first, brown it up a bit for this dish. The ingredients I'm going to put in here are fresh crushed pressed garlic and a chopped ginger root. Also, I have an onion, and those are going to be browned in the pan as well. Other ingredients I have here is I found this in my local Vietnamese store and grocery store, and it is a vegetarian fish sauce. Soy sauce is what they call it, and it's pretty darn close to the actual fish sauce. For some more umami flavoring, I'm also going to put mushroom seasoning, and then for the chicken flavor, I'm going to be using granule chicken flavor soup base mix. There is no chicken whatsoever in this particular ingredient. Also, I'm going to put some garlic powder to kick it up a notch, and also some onion powder. We put noodles in our dish, so I'm going to be using this brand of vermicelli noodles. I actually have one of them in here with a full glass of water, just to soak it so I'll be able to cook it. Okay, let's start prepping. Okay, so I added the chicken strips, the veggie chicken strips from Morningstar. I like this brand. And what we're going to be doing is I'm putting it in a hot pan with some oil, and all I'm doing is browning it. I'm browning it for about 5 minutes. I don't want to fully cook it because I'm just going to cook this through in the dish. Bowl and set it aside. Once I put this in the bowl, then I take some of the chicken flavoring and I start tossing it in here. Okay, I prepped all the ingredients here, as you can see. And the one thing I forgot to mention, for the color, you want to use the annatto, which is a seasoning. There's really no flavor to it. It's just used for color. And I used 1 teaspoon of it. And for here, I already chopped up the majority of the chayote, and I sliced it in half, and I took out the seed in the middle. And how I chop it is I cut it in half, and I make this thick of a slice. And all in the bowl. Cooking our dish. So in the hot wok, we're going to pour some more oil to it, medium to high heat, and And I'm gonna throw in my onions first. And the ginger. The reason why I'm using gloves, the one thing is a tip that I can share. When you're peeling your chayote, it leaves a film in your hands and it's hard to remove it with just soap and water. So when I wear gloves, then I could just take them off and I don't have to worry about the film that the sayote leaves on your hands. My pressed garlic, this is about 4 cloves of garlic. I like pressing my garlic with my presser, which this is a presser if you don't have one. I like it because it makes the garlic flavors come out more when you press it. Okay, now we're going to put in our chayote. You want to put in about 2 cups of water. And from here, I'm going to start seasoning it. I'm going to put my Sautéed or annatto, and I'm going to put in my powdered ingredients. Stir in the wok. See the color? And it's going to eventually turn the broth into an orange color. And right now I'm gonna put like half of the chicken. Actually, let it all go in the pool. I'm putting in all the spices. And let that simmer for 5 minutes. Look at that. As you can see, the broth is turning that orange color. I'm going to put in secret sauce. The time is up. Let's take a look at this. Oh man, I mean, just look at it. And what we're gonna do is, from the noodles that I soaked, and the reason why I'm soaking it so that it will cook much quicker than if I did it when it's dry. So for this, I like to cut it a couple of times. Look, done. And now we're going to add in our chicken, our plant-based chicken. Okay, let's grab a bowl and get some of this. Look at that. All right. I'm hungry. You want to eat? Let's eat. Okay, so I have some steamed white rice here, and ooh, it's hot. And let's put the sayote dish into my bowl. Get some soup here. All right, let's dig in. Ooh. It is hot. Okay, to your health. Very good. The sayote is cooked perfectly. Thank you for watching my video. This was a dynamite dish. And I always say, make every way a dynamite day. I'll see you in the next channel, okay?